A clear sight glass is essential for monitoring your pool's backwashing process. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the sight glass on your Hayward sand filter, a quick and easy fix. Start with the pump off and turn the multiport valve to the closed position. Remove the old sight glass by turning it counterclockwise. It's normal to see a bit of water and sand leak out during this process. Use a screwdriver to remove the old O-ring. Put the new O-ring in first, then quickly thread the new sight glass into place by turning it clockwise. Hand tighten it until secure. Finally, turn the valve back to the filter position. And that's it. Your Hayward sand filter sight glass is replaced and ready to keep your pool water sparkling. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other pool maintenance videos from The Great Escape. See you next time.